Welcome to Pinnacle Real Estate Academy. I'm Jennifer Nicely, and today I want to talk to you about discount points. If you are in the process of getting your real estate license in South Carolina, you are going to need to know how to calculate discount points. So whether you are taking your exit exam in class, your state or national portion, you're going to have questions on discount points. So we're going to talk about those today. Now, if you are an active real estate agent in the state of South Carolina, you most likely do not deal with discount points on a regular basis. See, here's what happens. As a real estate expert, your job is to direct clients to the actual experts of the topics. So if you have a client that's asking you about discount points, they are asking how much they cost, should they buy them, what does it actually mean, you need to direct them to a lender. This is the lender's realm of expertise. The reason we as real estate agents go over this in pre-licensing and are tested is because we don't want to look like deer in headlights. So I want to cover this with you because, again, if you're testing in, you're going to need to know this stuff. So first, let's talk about what discount points are. Discount points is a prepaid interest. This is prepaid interest on your mortgage. So let's say that the lender has quoted you a 5% interest rate and you're getting a 30-year term. You will be paying 5% interest for the next 30 years. But if you buy a discount point or multiple discount points, you can buy down that interest rate, pay a chunk up front at the time of purchase instead of over an expanded 30 years. So let's say that the lender has quoted me a 5% interest rate and I buy one discount point for a chunk of money, and we'll go over that chunk in just a few minutes. But we buy one discount point. It is going to lower that rate from 5% interest to 4.875% interest. So now, over a 30-year term in our hypothetical example, you have paid 4.875% instead of 5%. So it saves you money in the long term depending on your situation and how many years you're going to stay in that home. So let's talk about a couple of bullet points as to that pertains to discount points. So bullet point number 1, it's prepaid interest. Bullet point number 2, it is for the entire life of the loan. It is for the life of the loan. So this is not limited to a certain time frame. It would be for your full term. Number 3, it is based on your loan, not the sales price. It is based on your loan, not the sales price. So let's talk about that one. Let's hypothetically say that we have a property that's the loan is $200,000. This is not the sales price. We'll get to a sales price example in a few minutes. But the loan is $200,000. And you want to buy one discount point. One discount point is 1% of the loan value. 1% of the loan value. So how do we calculate this? We are going to take our loan of $200,000 and multiply it by one discount point. So we're going to multiply those and it comes out to be $2,000. So our one discount point is going to cost us a one-time $2,000. Again, this lowers your rate down one discount point. Now, what is one discount point? One discount point amounts to 0.125%. 0.125. Now, if you look at this, it would be an 1/8 of a percentage. So each discount point is 1/8 of a percentage. So if I wanted to take my interest rate quote of 5% APR and I want to lower it down to a full 4% APR, how many discount points would I have to buy? I'd have to buy 8, right? Because each point is 1/8. So you would buy 8 discount points to lower it down to a full 4% APR. Otherwise, if we only buy one discount point, which is 0.125 or an eighth of a percent, we are going to take the 5% interest rate and it would be lowered to 4.875 interest rate. That's what we would pay over the next 30 years. So let's repeat this. A discount point, one discount point is an eighth of a percent. If you buy down one discount point, you are going to lower your rate by 0.125. Now, some lenders may require you to buy discount points. Some lenders may not allow you to buy discount points. So it's up to the broker or the bank that you're using of how many discount points you can buy. Obviously, they're not going to allow you to buy all of them to where you have 0% APR. Okay, so you've got to be mindful of that. Now, this example was based off of a loan, but let's talk about a sales price. So let's say we have a sales price of $350,000, and they are putting down a down payment of 20%. $350,000 purchase, they're putting down 20% as a down payment. So how are we going to get our loan to sales value out of this? We're going to take $350,000 and we're going to multiply it by 80%, not 20. 20 is what we're putting down. 80% is what is left for our loan. So we're going to multiply this times 80%. When you multiply that out, it comes out to be $280,000. This now is the loan, and this is your sales price. So now that we have a loan of $280,000, let's say we're going to buy one discount point. In order to determine the discount point off of the $280,000 loan, we're going to multiply this by 1% because each discount point costs 1%. It doesn't lower at 1%, but it costs 1%. So we're going to multiply that by 1%, and that gives you $2,800 one-time expense to purchase one discount point for the rest of the term of the loan. Now, there are a couple of trick questions on these state exams. Some of them include sales price with a down payment, and they say 2 discount points. So if you're buying 2 discount points, you're going to do the same steps, figure out what your loan to sales price is, and then you're going to multiply it by 2% because each point is 1%, and we're buying 2 points, right? So however many points you have, that's what you're going to multiply by your loan. I hope this video today helps you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me personally or anyone here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy.